Welcome to Cambodia, a land of ancient temples, vibrant cities, and unforgettable adventures. Hopefully there's no crocodiles in here.
Over the next few episodes, we're diving deep into the heart of this incredible country, from the mystical ruins of Siem Reap to the bustling energy of Phnom Penh. We'll wander through history of ancient temples, taste local Khmer cuisine, and meet some of the most welcoming people.
So buckle up and join us for an unforgettable journey through Cambodia like you've never seen before. Well, we just landed and the adventure already started.
Very spontaneous adventure.
There is no time to waste.
We weren't planning on doing this.
No.
Go ahead.
So we're in Kampong Phluk, which is the floating village, and we're just getting a boat ride at the moment, very close to the next boat.
She's very little and nimble, isn't she? Just like climbing around.
Controlling a big boat too. Getting the whole boat to ourselves.
Finally waking up inside a void where I can hear the noise of someone similar to you. I'm still a little tired, but I can try to muster up a kind of style that in a way would calm the room. But you can't point me out when I am down and feeling like a pawn inside a game where I don't know.
Did you see the wood thing that was keeping the power line from staying up? Like the wood thing keeping the power line up? It was like a teepee of like wooden sticks to keep it from dipping in. That thing, see?
Whoa, this is the village. Whoa, it's like a big mess of timber in there, but it's obviously supporting the structure.
As an engineer, does it look structurally sound to you?
I think this place floods and then they're still standing. A lot of trusses, cross supports, yeah?
Because triangles are strong. Big village, isn't it? It's like, yeah, it keeps going on for a while.
Yeah, it looks pretty big. Yeah, we've been on the boat for a while now.
Yeah, we're still going for a while. Looks like the ocean out there or something. It's a big body of water.
Looks like it. That's why that big boat's turning around. Oh, we're getting off. Oh, turtles.
There's heaps just there.
Oh, snake. Big restaurant here.
Want something? Cold drink, food
Do you
here?
take card?
Yeah, pay by card.
You got
Or
bottle
cheap,
water?
you have a look first inside.
Okay.
Crocodile heads.
Yeah. Oh, these are cool.
Hey, Kimber?
That's one, and for the cow skin original.
Oh, cow skin.
Cow skin, not machine, not
Yeah.
and by hand, and the boy everything.
Yeah,
For the
wow.
student working.
Yeah. Very full coconut.
Nice and cold too. So, obviously we got a coconut,
Yeah.
bottle of water,
Yeah.
some book and pencil for the schools. We give the books and pencil to the driver.
The boat driver.
Yep, the boat driver.
And she'll pass it on to the kids.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Very good.
Oh, nice.
It's only $7 USD.
Yeah. What? What?
I think there's crocodiles in there.
Crocodile? Maybe.
Well, let's see if there's any crocodiles in there.
It looks like there is. People are looking there and there's pictures of them, so we'll see.
Oh, there's heaps of them. You see them?
Big one just there.
Heaps just there, look.
Whoa. There's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Oh, 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 the leg's moving. Oh, big mouth open.
Now, as you can see, the crocodile is waiting there with his mouth open, waiting for its prey.
Yeah.
Good?
Yeah, pretty good. Pretty good.
And there's a python over here too.
Yep, big one. Don't put your finger in there.
His head.
Wait.
Yeah. Alright, do we go on one of them?
Yeah, it's going.
We're not gonna get, it's safe, right? It's safe, right?
Let's hope there's no crocodiles in that river.
Hopefully they're just all enclosed there.
Yep.
They're all in there. So they're not moving.
Looks pretty comfy.
It does, little pillows. Alright. We're on.
We're on.
Turn around, give us a smile.
Hopefully there's no crocodiles in here.
Nice and calm. Yeah.
Until you see a crocodile's head poking out.
No, they wouldn't let us go on here if we get eaten by a crocodile. Surely.
Don't put your hand in the water.
No. It wouldn't be good for tourism if people got eaten by crocodiles. What a random, spontaneous thing that we're doing. It was on the itinerary, but we weren't planning on doing this right now. We just got the airport taxi, and then he said he can take us here, and then here we are. So there's some blue, some blue marks on the trees, and it's from the boats like scraping along them. It's quite like narrow, and it's kind of scrape and hit the trees sometimes.
That's a big trap. Sure, it's for crocodiles. Because it goes in that way, it can't come out.
What big fish?
Maybe crabs.
There's quite a few in there, isn't there?
I think it's crab traps.
Crab traps?
Yeah. Imagine doing this in the dark.
Pardon?
Imagine doing this after dark.
Oh, that's scary. That's when they eat.
Yeah.
What's up there?
Looks like shops, but we don't have any cash.
No.
That's what happens when you get off the plane and straight onto an activity.
Yeah, we haven't had
Time for ATMs.
haven't had time to get ATMs or do anything.
You take a walk and try to talk yourself into a kind of space where you can start to feel the ground. Trying to find a face where you can place a version of yourself you thought that you'd be living downtown. And all your friends are making money, feel like you're not even making sense.
Yeah.
I think that's from flood.
From flood?
Yeah, so this whole area obviously floods up the top, and then when the water comes back down, all the rubbish lets
Oh,
water.
that's a big flood, are you sure?
Yeah, that's why all the houses are built pretty high.
Oh, wow. And we're back.
We're back.
Yep.
Back to the restaurant.
It's pretty decent, right? Like it was a good chunk of time, wasn't it? Like it wasn't a quick rushed thing, it was...
Yeah, it's quite nice and calm. Thank you.
Thank you. Huh. Whoa. Oh no.
The street, come to me, let him breathe, let him feel till he's had this fill. Oh, let me wash away the very nature of my passions and my pleasures, let me bend the will. And Jesus Christ, let it in, let it die, let me lay in her arms till the walls cave in.
Some crocodile shoes.
Crocs.
Yeah.
So we're just here at a floating restaurant.
Yeah, it's not quite sunset yet. Yeah,
What are you gonna try?
we're trying crocodile.
And what?
And some type of fish.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Look forward to it.
I think so.
Not the ones from there. They're just pets. I don't know where else they get their crocodiles from. Our food's here. That is crocodile meat.
Amok fish.
Amok fish.
Yeah, which is a curry-like dish.
Mhm.
It's a national Cambodian dish.
Yeah. Crocodile.
Crocodile cheese.
Ah. That's good flavor.
Oh yeah. Now, amok fish. Oh yeah.
That is good.
It's good. It is like I can taste like the curry flavour.
Yeah. Very good.
So we've just walked up to the top of the restaurant on the roof.
Yeah, on the roof. Sunset hour.
Yeah.
There's a big love heart. Everyone's waiting for photos.
Yep.
What a spot, eh?
The sunset.
Yep, a floating restaurant with a love heart.
What a way to end the day and start our Cambodia adventure.
Yep, pretty good. Straight off the plane, straight here.
Yep.
Floating restaurant.
Yep.
Sunset hour. You can see the sunlight shining on us.
Yep.
Very nice lighting. Or the boat's heading towards the sunset. How good is this?
Very good. Oh, the sun's almost down. It's gone very quickly. This is our hotel in Siem Reap. Very big room. We could put open. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We could put 10 suitcases in here, opened up.
Yep.
Yeah. We have a bath. We have
Separate shower.
separate toilet.
Double sink.
Double sink. No one getting in each other's way.
Mm-hmm.
You can be here. I can be here. Yep, good.
We got that.
The sunset was really nice. It was really, really beautiful.
Floating village.
Yeah.
25 USD per person entry that covers your boat ride all the way to the floating village and then to all the restaurants. Watch the sunset there.
So the sunset was so beautiful.
Mhm.
It had like the little heart there, and it had like the clouds over the sun.
Yep, and the boats.
As well. Yeah, all the boats lining up there watching it. It was,
Yeah, very
really
good.
nice.
Right, now we're going to look at the night market.
Yeah.
See you there.
So that's the restaurant. Breakfast is included.
Yep, restaurants here. Like just heaps of food here. Night market.
We have new. I'm just looking.
This market's not bad. It's less hectic than Ben 10 market.
We're getting like asked to come and have a look and stuff, but we're not getting like too hassled. As you can see, we're walking down here and
Yep. Yeah, pretty good.
well, I know we've only seen like a really small bit, but I quite like Cambodia.
It's pretty good.
Yeah.
Pub Street.
Ah. Lots of ice cream rolls. There's ice cream roll there.
We're in the pub street.
Listen, ice cream roll there, ice cream roll there, ice cream roll
Of course. Back at the hotel, did a little bit of shopping, walked around the night market and the pub street.
Yeah, wasn't as pushy. Like people, they were saying, "Oh, come have a look at my store and stuff," but didn't feel too in your face, which is nice.
It was really good.
Got a new skirt.
Yep, new skirt, and I got some bags.
Yeah.
Got an ice cream.
Ice cream roll. There was like an ice cream roll place every second shop.
And then tomorrow we're just gonna look around the city. Yeah, see you tomorrow.
Yeah. Right. Good night. I've got nothing to say. I've got nothing to say. Oh. Thought that was a crocodile.
Not a bad way
To end the day. And start
start our Cambodia. Whoa. You can tell we're on a floating restaurant.
What a way to end the day.
Yes. What you do? Work hard, play hard.
Work hard. I do play hard.
Ooh. Play so hard you almost fell into the pool.
Didn't know what.